So now guys, in this part we are going to give a call to our player when as soon as we are going to kill the enemy. So now here I'm going to create a new script and I'm going to call that script game manager. And the reason that it's changed the icon to gear icon because it's something that is the Unity did that and it's defined as this icon. When we are going to write the game manager, it's going to define that script as a game manager like it gear. So now I'm going to attach that script to our enemy controller. So now let's go inside. Here in the top, first I want to use a new library, and that is using TMP Pro. That means the Text Mesh Pro. Because we use the Text Mesh Pro, we need to use TMP Pro. And then also here first, I want to make this script also the singleton. So I'm going to write public static game manager script and instance. Then await function instance is equal to this. So now let's add some another variable that is a public int gold, and here also we want public text mesh pro UGUI text mesh pro UGUI, that is our TMP Pro, and we want to get access to our text, the gold text. So here I'm going to write gold text. So now let's delete the start and update. We don't need them for now. Later we can add them when we need them. Here instead I'm going to write public void add gold. And here inside of that I also want to give a parameter because maybe some enemy give us more gold. So here I'm going to say int amount. Then here gold text dot text is equal, then we need a quotation mark inside. I'm going to write the gold space, and outside what we want to put inside is plus, so plus gold dot to a string. Because it's int, we need to convert it to a string. That's why we are going to use it to a string to convert that int amount to a string. So now we need to call this function. So for calling this function, whenever our enemy is going to die, we want to call that function. So here at enemy, this die, when this die happen, also we want to say game manager dot instance dot add gold parenthesis. And when you see we are going to get another error because we didn't give any parameter inside. In the game manager we have int and amount. So the amount that now we need to pass that information to our add amount to enemy is what we have here. As you see, for now I'm going to delete the update and start. Here we give to gold, we want to pass the amount of money that we want to give to player depend on the money to give. So gold to give. Now Let's save it, save all the script, also the game manager script as well. Going to close it. After it compiled, so here at gold text, first let's make this gold to 0, because at the beginning we don't have gold text, don't have any money, so I'm going to make it 0, and then I also need to go to our enemy controller and drag our gold text to there. So that means we are going to gold text, as you see, as you remember, we write gold text.text, so that means this text that we have here. Okay, we are going to get access to this text and pass the information to this text. So now everything is set up. And the one thing that we need to, this is gold to give, so let's play it. So that's right now, it doesn't update that. So, and the reason that we don't get any money here, we cannot see any money here, as you see, when I'm going to play and when I'm going to kill the enemy, it doesn't going to give the money to gold to us. And the reason we forgot to add something to our add gold. Here we need to say the gold plus equal to amount, because I forgot to write that. That's why we don't get any money. So save it. Now we should get gold. As you see now, we got 2 gold, 4, 6, 8. Now if you are going to prefab, for example, this enemy, we want just 1 gold. So now when I'm going to play, when we get another enemy, we are going to get just 1 gold. So now this one should give us just 1 gold. You see it's become 7. This one 2 and 1. So perfect. Now everything's work fine with our enemy and killing enemy. Now guys, in the next part we are going to change the background. After, for example, killing 5 enemies, we are going to change the background. So see you now in the next video.